Hi guys. Well, Ashley got off the airport, and we're gonna go pick her up. And she was like, "Oh, Jessica, what are you behaving?" And I'll say yes. So let's go get the car. Okay, off we go. Where is she? Where's Jessica? Oh, hi, Ashley. I have a seat for you. Just come in. It's great to be home. Me too. Where should we go to celebrate? I don't know. Let's go to Disney World. Let's go home. Okay. Let's get out. So, what are we behaving good? Very good. Okay. You guys are doing a very good job, and I'm gonna give you this. Oh yeah, I'm not done with it. Go, go, go. So, yeah. And I have a question. Wanna go get them? Ooh, sorry. SpongeBob, come back. Let me go get SpongeBob. Okay, here's SpongeBob. Those noisy kids. Be quiet! Okay, here's the SpongeBob. It licks. Okay. And this, I know you guys won't like that. You know this. It comes in a Pokemon card pack. And I have Pokemon cards. So if you enjoy it, please give us a like or subscribe. Okay, bye.